Welcome to this webcast on the design and implementation of renewable energy policies. Successful renewable energy policies are policies that enable to achieve targets at the lowest cost. This implies stability, simplicity, appropriate and targeted level of support. There are also policies that build and reinforce the consensus around renewable energy technologies, thanks to the long-term political commitment to renewable energy and the building of strong coalition of actors. Stability. Clear long-term objectives are important. Stability of both the regulatory and policy framework is needed. The International Energy Agency recently estimated that the reduction in capital cost enabled countries with low-risk renewable energy policies to lower the levelized cost of renewable electricity by 10–30% compared to countries without such policies. Simplicity. The implementation and management of the scheme needs to be done by a small set of institutions with a clear definition of their respective tasks. Developers need to know who is responsible of what. Streamlining renewable energy can be done with standard power purchase agreement and standard approval process. This helps to reduce staff costs for the government and to reduce transaction costs for developers. If a developer needs several years to implement a wind farm, this has a cost which has repercussions on electricity prices. Long-term support of actors. Renewable energy brings new range of actors around new technologies, new kind of investors, developers, and local communities. Sustainable support can be achieved only if there is a broad consensus around renewable energy. And this broad consensus can be obtained only if actors find a financial interest in the development of renewable energy. So, public-private partnerships are needed and the strong support of local communities. Building commitment to renewable energy implies different elements: stability of framework, simplicity of support mechanisms, the building of strong coalition of actors, and if you give actors sufficient time, they can help to guarantee the stability of framework. And actors can also provide feedback on support mechanisms. To implement a policy is one thing, but the follow-up is also very important. Renewable energy policies are not fixed once for all. Follow-up implies milestones, benchmarking, comparison with policies in other countries, and the organization of feedback from developers and local communities. There is a trial and error process which helps to optimize support mechanisms. Perseverance and flexibility are needed to guarantee the steady development of renewable energy technologies in a country. What are the regulatory implications? Large-scale and small-scale investors need a fair and open access to the grid. Shallow charging should be a standard practice. You should not charge renewable energy developers the full cost of reinforcement or extension of the grid. Prioritized dispatch for renewable energy is also important. Transparent land planning consent, stable tariff, which levels the playing field with conventional sources, long-term power purchase agreement to cover the full investment cycle, standards and labels and certification process to guarantee the quality of the installation, and light-handed regulation, especially important for small investors. Certification and licensing need to be adapted to the small size of renewable energy installations. Support to generation, subsidies and fiscal incentives need to be linked to real output to electricity generation and not just to investment. Stability. It is important to avoid interference of political decisions, like in the US, where short-term extension of production tax credit create a boom and bust market.